Here are the key features of the RS6C-P Polycrystalline 250 to 285 watt all-purpose solar module. This particular model has a conversion efficiency of up to 17.4% and comes with tempered 3.2mm glass. Its self-cleaning function and the anti-reflective hydrophobic coating improves light absorption and reduces surface dust, making sure you get the best out of it from day to day. This particular model is especially suited for coastal, high temperature or humid areas, meaning it is perfect for a wide range of locations, but can also be used just as successfully in any other environments, including those of low light conditions or those with regular snowfall, as the TUV have certified these to withstand heavy snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal instead of the standard 2,400 PA. This is all due to a robust construction, field-tested technology, and a wide operating temperature spectre from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. So whatever the conditions, you get the best out of this product. This model also comes with optional black or white anodized aluminium frames, so it will fit in perfectly with most building designs. Certifications for this product from the TUV are IEC 61730. It also has a VDE certification and has been approved for use in Australia with a CEC certification. It also conforms to key European customer quality requirements with EMC, LVD and CE certifications, and it has been approved PID free by the PI Berlin lab. With our warehouses located in Dubai, Tanzania and Uganda, this means whichever part of the globe you're in, delivery is not a problem, and it has been installed in more than 30 countries worldwide. Our standard packing is 26 modules per pallet and 312 modules per 20-foot GP container, or 728 modules per 40-foot HQ container, allowing consignments of different numbers to meet whatever your needs may be. For ease and peace of mind, we accept a wide variety of payments, including up to 100% LC. And guarantees with this product mean that within the first 10 years, you can rest assured you will receive 90% power output and 80% power output within the first 25 years. And of course, all this comes with a 10-year material and workmanship guarantee for added peace of mind. Being founded in 2007 with 100 employees means we have over 10 years experience. And with more than 300 megawatt of solar modules installed in 50 countries and 2 manufacturing factories in China accredited by ISO 9001 and 14001, plus in-house testing facilities, means you can rest assured all your needs are covered with us.